Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another down day for energy stocks, although it was nice to see VAL here show some signs of strength by at least starting to be able to get some upwards trending going on here. Now, granted, in the very near term, there was quite a bit of selling pressure that showed up late day, but overall, from where it was at its lows to where it's still closed, I mean, there was still some upwards movement here. So now it's just a question of, whether or not the price can continue to build upon that upwards movement or not. And in that regard, the level that really stands out to me is right here at that $1.10 mark. Why is the $1.10 so important? I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation purposes, if the price were to come down to $1.10 and then just continue on down, at that point, from a very literal, angle of things, that would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or a turnaround or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, well, at least at that point in time, you'd have the ability to do something where you could draw, a level of support right here. You have that support right there, and if you have, envisioned those as stair steps, well, at least at that point, you have a nice little turnaround, right? You have some stair steps being constructed in the upwards direction. So don't get me wrong, though. Am I saying that if $1.10 fails and this thing is going back down to 40 cents? That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying as far as today's movement and today's nice little upwards trend is concerned, let's see if the price can start to build upon it by showing signs of progress. And again, quote unquote, showing signs of progress being defined as staying up there around that $1.10 mark. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch moving forward, going to be right up here at the $1.45 mark. So $1.45, public enemy number one from that angle of things. But all in all, interesting setup here going forward. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this turnaround or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.